New Zealand earthquake. Massive magnitude 6.9 quake rocks Kermadec Islands. Thousands of people reportedly felt the massive quake 785 kilometers northeast of the mainland. Huge 6.8 magnitude earthquake has rocked New Zealand's Kermadec Islands today. After the Ministry of Civil Defence initially warned the Kermadec tremor, there is no tsunami threat to New Zealand following the 6.8m earthquake south of the Kermadec Islands at 4:19 p.m. Left double quotation mark. Seismologist John Ristor said, "People aren't imagining that they felt anything. They did feel it. They are just feeling this large earthquake that's a few hundred kilometers away, north of the North Island."
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to us on YouTube. If you like, donate to us, visit home on the page PayPal.